Good morning, world. It's me, Misha Suvorov. Let's take a look at our Wednesday. Ooh. Dollar is interacting with um with the monthly level on Russian market. Dollar, ruble. Ooh. Yeah. Yuan is doing its move too. I'll be watching it closely at these levels. Uh, let's watch our trades since we are in Russia. Hey. Yeah, this guy takes forever. This guy takes forever. Okay. Alrosa that didn't go. Waiting for it to break me even. Yeah, this is not good. No bueno. No bueno. Do well, I'll need to take it to break even according to my rules. Yeah, I did this jerky move and then broke me even. Would have broke me even, but I didn't. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. So yeah, really, I think it can go, but however, we already had this situation with GNG when this was a perfect. So this is good for this setup now. However, we will not do the same mistake. I need to break it even. Let me see. However, what I can do is to what I can do. I can do like this. I have a construction going on my roof, so never mind the noises. Hope it's not too distracting. They're reinstalling solar panels, so it's for better. So yeah, let me take this position. I'm not gonna take it to break even. I'm gonna take it to this. Let's make a little money. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon the smile. You all know this song. You, baby, baby, so wild. Okay. And this guy, why is it on my watch list? I don't have position in it. I don't know why. I don't know why. It shows. Yeah, I have Fosagra, Tigurka, Arasin. Yeah, Transneft is an old guy. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Where's my volume, please? Thank you. Yeah, fell off the cliff. Fell off the cliff. You see how it was? No volume. And then BBL. Bye bye. It's hard to get by. Just step on the smile. Accenture. Ooh, Accenture. It's a wild world. Yeah, falls off the cliff. If it jumps out of it, yeah, I'll be surprised. And like, yeah, we have this volume. And we see it on daily, so we are informed. Okay. So air product is teasing us a little bit. It's in a counter trend right now. It's a little bit far from 0.5. Yeah, I know. I think it's in a good position on monthly. I had a double opinion. I had a second opinion that it might be like this. But with this volume, I think it's good, and all the volume is here. Yeah, so if it corrects to anywhere near 2.5, I'd consider buy. Not yet. Not yet. You know what? Let me add here our... not here, I'm sorry. To Russia. And our yuan. I'm trading perpetual. I'm playing perpetual, however, I look at I'm looking at tomorrow because I think the volume is must. Yeah. It's hard to get by just upon the smile. Yeah. Well, technically it's broken. It broke. Like broken still freaked me out. I don't know why. I use them interchangeably. It broke this level. It's a transitory extremum. So the thing is, I have a position which I am gonna sell if... Let me put it on the map, by the way. I'm gonna sell it if it upthrusts successfully. There is a level on this upthrust for now, and it's here. So if it upthrusts and goes down, I'm gonna sell. If it breaks the level and holds, I'm gonna be looking to buy more. Yeah, let me put my trade on the map. Oops. Let me see, when did it happen? It's not systemic trade, that's why I never put it on the map. When did I buy it? Go ahead. Doesn't show. Okay, anyhow, you can't go that far, I guess. But I bought it at 90 to 30. 90 to 30. 92. 30. Somewhere. I don't know where exactly, doesn't matter. But later, I think in March, I think somewhere around here. Not sure. Doesn't matter. But I have it at 90 to 30. It was like bought from the news. Yeah, let's say it's like this. There is no take profit yet. And I'll be watching. So how, like, the way it interacts with the day level. If it upthrusts it, I'll close for whatever is going to be left for the profit. If it breaks through, I'll be holding. Okay, air products. Yeah, in a short impulse right now. Not manipulating the day. I'll see. Can be potentially a quick trade here. I like the stock. I'll trade it if it gives me an entry point. Yeah, I like the stock. Well, I add to position anywhere near my original entry. Okay. Let's. I'm in position here. And I'm in position. Well, I'm in position on perpetual futures, but I analyze it because tomorrow has the longer. Like, I analyze the spot and I trade the futures. Okay. Coinbase. Well, technically it's also in a short. Technically it's here. Technically it's here. And it's not good that it changed its directionality. This guy grinds higher. Okay, let me just close the window real quick. Yeah, I think that will be better. Yeah, HSBC continues to go. Everything looks good. My last stop is here. Intel gives us some volume. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Now it tries to find the bottom. Tries to find the bottom. Ooh, it's bad. And I'm stuck on this trade. And on this as well. Didn't hold nothing. I think it goes to the monthly levels now, which is fair. A big learning experience for me. I'm not mad for myself for Intel. I didn't see it properly, but this guy totally on me. That's a discipline. Oops, that didn't go. Yeah, that was questionable because you see the low here was 0.19 and low here 0.19, tick by tick. still blocked by this, so you can say it's a test level. This was a real test level, but too close to the main level. So that's a stock I have. But yeah, I mean, of course, if it breaks this, I'll be thinking, ooh, ooh, baby, baby, it's a cruel world out there. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. I don't know, this song is stuck in. It's a good song. It's an old good song. And there was a test here actually too. Look at this. Ooh, baby, baby. No, I think it's fun time. It's cruel. Woo! Look at this. Gone into this volume zone. Toronto Dominion Bank is dying. Quick to R, get out. AKA Intel shouldn't be entering here. Should have been like letting it go. No volume whatsoever. Everything dies pretty badly. Not everything, but things I'm looking at. And I'm not even sure if there's a real change of. I think it is. I think there was just like too much panic here, so it couldn't go. Couldn't form a level. I think it's a level. But yeah, everything gets just like train wrecked. Look at this. I might be stuck in Intel and J&J for longer than I think. It also kind of indicates, it's like, no, that's not how tests are done. Keep on watching. And this guy just dies. Starbucks tries to do something, but absolutely. Casey, are you triggered? Are you in? Are you there? Or are you square? That's not my setup, it's Casey's. It's another friend of ours. Trying to do here something, but I mean, like, who would, like, there is no volume. There is no, ooh. Look at this guy. It's alarming, it didn't go. But on daily, it's all good. Yeah. No volume here whatsoever. It's hard to get by just upon a smile, yeah. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. That's how. It's not two babies. It's like, ooh, baby, it's a wild world. We have this volume on our face. And it's a gap and go. That goes. That goes. That absolutely goes. We have this volume, which is one of the biggest volumes of the hourly correction. And this is bullish candle. Yeah. It's a good volume. However, we need to get above this volume. You know what I mean? It's not here, it's here. Yeah. Yeah, nothing holds. I needed to correct one more time at least. I need to get out of my J&J. I need to get out of Intel. I don't mind to hold them. I'm not gonna die. but I'd rather get out of them and free up my money. You know, guys, like, as a friend to friend, I'm gonna tell you, like, 2 times it was letting out, and I got out. Home Depot, I was smart. It was like, well, I can't call myself smart for doing Home Depot in the first place. But Home Depot, I got out when it gave me a chance, but it gave me like 2 chances. But no mercy on J&J. It gave me 1 chance, and then this, and Intel got too hard and got greedy, and boom, got stuck in the stock. But yeah, interesting fact. So I have Deutsche Bank stock in my Russian brokerage. And it's frozen, so I cannot do like, so I don't know how they're gonna, like, it's ADRs. I don't know how they're gonna deal with it, but for now it's just like frozen. I cannot like sell it, and you cannot buy like European and American stocks through Russian brokerages anymore. But you know what it does? It pays me dividends. So war is war, but dividends by schedule. This is pretty, I don't know how to even relate to that. It's weird, okay? The least I can say. It's weird. So sanctions and all of that and all this pressure and, you know, kind of like odds in between the Russia and West, but Western bank pays Russian citizen a dividend. Go figure. I don't want to get too deep into it. Wait. Wait. Why did I not? Because I was just not caring about the stock at all, right? On monthly, on dailies, because where's this volume? And this volume is here. Yeah, because you know what? I mean, baby, baby. So yeah, that was a transitory extremum. Quick to R here, which I don't think I took. I think these are my wet dreams. You know, like how in hindsight, we all are super smart. And that's where it is right now. And that's where it is right now. Too high above the 0.5. No, it's more like day and hour. And this volume level again. Like how it tested, bounced. Monthlies, yeah, come see, come side. It's like a short trend comes to, it did it half. No, I mean, it's against the monthly trend. I shouldn't be hallucinating here. Good volume though. Yeah, this volume. I'd say it can go for a quick trade. Still this volume. Like the superior time frame volume though will never stop. Inferior time frame volume will never stop superior. So even though, yeah, and it's also the biggest volume. I think it will go. I think it will go to the. Where did this volume come in? Not so far away. Oh no, it's there. Yeah, and this was the biggest volume you see. It's almost going by. Back home we say scale. How do you call it? Is it a scale? Oops, my phone is still closed. The ruler. It's almost going by the ruler. You know the ruler that you used to measure, like in childhood, and those of us architects, like you have this ruler, this wooden like piece that you use to measure everything. So back when we say like when it goes by the book, it goes by the ruler. So you can put a ruler. I think that's how they were also defining borders for some states in the United States of America. In some African countries, like colonies, they used just to put a ruler on the map and define the borders. Am I political today? What's going on with me? Yeah, we have some, like it's all, this is a Polish candle. Still there is volume. This is some, yeah, it's not crazy. This is a definite sign of reversal. You have all this going on, I mean. Let's put it on hourly watch just for today. Market definitely started to move. If I wasn't stuck in J&J, which is totally my fault, and Intel, which is totally my mistake. And we know the difference in between the fault and mistake. Fault is on J&J because I did, well, for the first time you can call it a mistake because, like on this guy, I'll show you. It did absolutely the same trick on me. It played absolutely the same trick on me that Ross Telecom is doing here. Isn't it a beautiful entry here? If I didn't enter it yesterday from here and waited it to go there. Well, after it goes lower this volume, maybe not so much, but still this bar is closed bearish today. If it is closed bearish today, if it will close bearish today, like the rest is looking beautiful. So strengths, definite weakness. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful weakness. And then volume here, some struggle. If it closes bullish, it's a good go. Weird volume distribution though on the spring, but and let me see, this is low, 8.88. Yeah. 96.88. Technically 96.91. So super technically, this was the first bar interacting. So technically bearish. Technically it's broken. But other than this, and this volume is weird. It's weird that we gotten under this volume. But yeah, anyhow, this spring's coming. If I wasn't here, this spring's coming. Test, retest, that would be a go. So very tempting to keep the trade, but we should not. And this volume is here, so we know that we're out. Like you look, we are already above this volume. This volume kind of hit the volume level, and now it's just bounced. And yeah, well, kind of this volume in our, oh, and it's even a bigger volume. Oh, yeah, no, guys, never mind me. Yeah, this is even a bigger volume. Yeah, we are in this condor right now. You know what I mean? This is alarming. Yeah, we're right here. Yeah, this volume came in. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. So anywho, I was gonna show that uh, I'm not mad for myself for Johnson Johnson. I'm not gonna do it again. I knew for sure, like intellectually, mentally, I knew that like once the trade doesn't go your direction, get out, break even. Um, However, it showed a new entry, it showed a new entry point, and I decided to play with it. And I got my lesson. I think there is another 1,000 times it will go my direction eventually, but this one time taught me like well enough. With the mentals, like virtual stop loss, you gotta get out. You gotta get out. This is of course like I mean it's not working schedule, but we have this, and anyways it just grinds higher and higher and higher. Yeah, Abby. Yeah, don't do the same mistakes. Just watching. Also, I feel like I shouldn't be like spending my time watching stocks that I'm not really gonna trade because, uh, like this one, after this volume, no, you're not gonna trade it. Mm, um, like I put them on my watch list, and but I'm not really like. It's either I'm gonna take a trade eventually, and I mean I shouldn't, or I'll just wasting my time and instead of looking for new stocks, I'm just teasing myself with the stuff that I'm not gonna take. Uh, I don't know. Back home we have a proverb: the pear is hanging, but you cannot eat it. It's not a proverb. It's like what do you call it in English? It's kind of puzzle, um, and it means electric bulb. I think it comes from the first days when electric bulbs came through and they looked like a pear, uh, but you cannot eat it, and that's where the puzzle came in. If it makes any sense to you guys. But yeah, the stock that I'm like is in my watch list, but I shouldn't be trading and not gonna take a trade is exactly the hanging pear that I cannot and should not eat. uh, I know what's going on with me. I feel some kind of way today. Uh, I definitely feel some kind of way today. Why did I remove? I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, that's like like this one. Like I mean, yeah, it's a level. You want to take this trade because I don't, and I want to take trades. I want to be in the market, but that's uh, that's a gambling syndrome, or what do you call it? Ludomania, where you just want to gamble. Okay, let's keep it here for now. Not like this. So yeah, it's just and that high, like on monthly, do you want to get stuck in the mental stuff? Because I don't. So yeah, guys, I think that's all I've got for now, and hmm, I'll go live again in the end of the day. Uh, yeah. Intuit I shouldn't be taking because of this volume. I kind of like I sides here, but it was right in our face. That was like I mean, I shouldn't be taking the first trade in the first place, but market forgave me. He was like, okay, Misha, here's your 2R, tick by tick. I was like, okay, I'll make money again an hour later. Like, no, you won't. And now I'm here, guys. Yeah, immature. No, immature was this, not to get out of the market when it was offering to me to get out here. And once again, this volume was in our face. It made it to this volume and then just dropped. Should have been more careful. Like this volume. Well, everything is so easy in the hindsight, but that's what it is. That's what it is. Good warning, I think. I mean, like we kind of adjust our trading style to we use the same strategy, the same system again and again and again, and we only modify it based on our statistical observations. But we do adjust our trading style according to the market conditions. So when market is favorable, everything is bullish, everything just goes. Yeah, you left just like you like become more loose and let yourself like do things that you wouldn't do on like more conservative market, like this market. And then you have to readjust very quickly. And once again, like if I got out in J&J on time and then, you know, only got stuck in Intel, which was totally a misevaluation. Is it a word? Misevaluation? Was totally, I got myself on the wrong side of the market, which is alright. That happens. That's like insufficient experience. Yeah, Howard J&J, I would have got out. I should have got out when it was offering me to. It's okay. The dividend paying stocks, I don't think Johnson and Johnson or Intel will go anywhere anytime soon. So this might be interesting. And I added BTI, British Tobacco. Evil guys. They are. I really think they are. Like weapons manufacturers. This guy, someone was like trying to shame me for HSBC just because it's an Asian bank, saying that they're like sponsoring terrorism. I don't know what exactly they meant, but I was like, oh, I am. What about McDonald's? I think McDonald's kills more people than any terrorists every year. You want to talk about that? That did look like, that does look like an exhaustion volume. And I'm speculant anyways, so I don't invest in stock, even if it's called investment trade, taken from daily with superior time frame on monthly. It's still a speculation. It's just the horizon is different. So whoever buys to sell after and tells you they're investors is not honest with you or themselves or both. So if you buy to sell, you're a speculator. If you investor, you're like Forrest Gump and your Sergeant. Sergeant, what was his name? Gosh, I'm so lame. Just bought some fruit company stock. And then boom, you're a wealthy man. So if you're not Forrest Gump, then you're a speculator. You buy to sell and then you sell to buy and vice versa. No matter if like your horizon of your trade is million years or intraday day trade, it's still a speculation. I like this volume. I really do. However, this volume is in the wrong place. I need this volume here. I'll keep it on an hourly daily watch for today. But yeah, I mean, this volume, if this volume came here, I would be ecstatic. And yeah, I think this is getting train wrecked. Maybe I should just close it for better before it, because maybe I should close it not right now because this volume is no bueno. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this volume. It's bigger than this one. someone like this volume comes in and then like once again it tries and then you're not going nowhere. This volume came in. Yeah, I think I don't even need to like try my luck for this. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, I'm out. I'm out of this guy. Okay, let me plug in my laptop. Just give me a sec. There's something weird with my charger. I need to replug it every time to make it work. Well, it kind of didn't give me the. It gave me an average in between 97.39 and 97.46. So let's break it even at 97.43. Yeah, I'm out. Did I move? It's interesting. Did I move the? No, of course not. No, it's like thousands. Yeah, okay, I'm out. For better or worse, I'm out of this trade. It's not going our direction at all. Let me put it into my logbook. Oh, I didn't log it yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna let you go, guys. I'm gonna be logging. Oh no, this again. Logbook. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go.